This question says, two people are balanced on a seesaw as in the top part of the image. If the left person jumps up, which of the scenarios, A or B, is likely to happen upon landing on the seesaw? Is it A, where the left person, or the person that jumped up, is lower than the person on the right? Is it B, where we see essentially the exact same thing that we see in the top part of the image, where the person on the left and the person on the right are balanced on the seesaw? Or, if A and B are equally likely, then mark C. So this seesaw is essentially a class 1 lever, where here we have the fulcrum, and on either side of the fulcrum we have a force. To the left of the fulcrum we have the force from the weight of the left person, and to the right of the fulcrum we have the force from the weight of the right person. Now, when the person on the left jumps up, the force that they were previously exerting on the seesaw is no longer present, which means only one force will be exerted, and that's the weight of the right person. And this will see the right side of the seesaw go down and the left side go up. Now, remember, we were asked to consider what would happen upon landing on the seesaw. So what we've just described is essentially an intermediate state. Now, when the person on the left comes back down to land on the seesaw, we would expect to see something like what we see in A. Because when the person lands, they're going to be exerting more force than the person on the right. And that's because during their jump, they gained kinetic energy. At the top of their jump, so before they continue to come back down towards the seesaw, that kinetic energy has been converted to potential energy. But when the person comes back down, there will be another conversion of that potential energy back to kinetic energy. And that increase in kinetic energy will see more force exerted on the left-hand side. And therefore the person on the left will be lower. And the correct answer is A. Now again, in B's case, this might be after a time. So once everything equilibrates and the two people are only exerting the forces that comes from their weight, they may come back into balance. But initially, when they land on the seesaw, or when the left person lands on the left side of the seesaw, we will see what we see in A.